You can use Sora for free and without an invite code in several countries, including the US, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam. So search for a VPN extension. Add this to Chrome. After installation, configure this and connect with a USA server. Search Sora 2 on Google. Go to this website. Click on Login and continue with your email. Enter your full name and date of birth. Enter a username. You can even invite your friends to Sora. Write a random prompt and press Enter. Click here to see the video progress. After generating, click on the video. Click here to download. Subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.